doing?
Hey buddy, I am shopping for seeds for next year.
You mean this isn't enough?
Well, you know how I am with seeds. I cannot ever have enough.
Hey Mom, you got a package.
It finally came in. Awesome, thank you. Let's open it up. You guys, it finally came in the mail. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting to get this box. Let's dig in and see what we have to grow for next year. Alrighty. Have our list. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't honestly remember what I ordered. It's been so long, and it's not on Johnny's Seeds' part, it's on my part. This box has been sitting on my bench for a while, so I may not even recognize the names of what I ordered. So I'll try to figure out how to add little pictures on the screen so that you can see what I ordered. Okay, so we have some Lizianthus. I know that this is super hard to grow, but I did get the blue pelleted and the arena red pelleted. So this is purely just an experiment. I love how the flowers look when I see them in pictures. So that if it doesn't even work out, it's totally fine. This is just a challenge for myself. This is some more Lizianthus. That one was the pure white. And then, oh, I forgot I ordered this. This is Dusty Miller. I did use some of that in one of my arrangements this year, and it really did work out pretty well in the arrangement, and I loved how it worked in that arrangement. This one is more Lizianthus, so that should be fun. Maybe I bought all of the Lizianthus they had on their website. There's more too. This one is the white pelleted, and then this one is neon purple. I'll put pictures on there if I can figure out how to do that thing. And we'll show you what they look like. The only thing I don't like is I forget what I order and what the flowers look like, and this is not helping me out, especially being so new at this. More Lizianthus. This one is a pink one, and this was an apricot. So, so far most of my box is Lizianthus, and if my challenge fails, then maybe my crop does too. Okay, oh yes, Nigella Love in a Mist, Madame Butterfly Bronze Snapdragon, Larkspur, Hybrid Snapdragon Bridal Pink, some more Larkspur. This is Carmine Larkspur, some white glitter. I don't even know how to say that name. I'm not even gonna try. I'll show you a picture of it. Queen Lime Blush Zinnia, Zinderella Peach Zinnia, Oklahoma Salmon Zinnia. Can you tell I love zinnias? Silver Plate Eucalyptus. That is also another challenge of mine if I can get it to grow. I have 50 seeds to mess up here, so we'll see how that works out. Some China Asters. This one is Tower Chimois Aster. This is Straw Flower. Oh my goodness, guys. These things are gorgeous. If I would have known about them earlier this season, you would have seen them in my bouquets already. These things are awesome. And then this one is some Flamingo Feather Celosia. Oh, these are another pretty one too. I'll try to link the picture as well. Love this one for sure. Some more Cosmos, and that's another one of my favorite. I love Cosmos. They're so pretty. I'll put a picture of that on the screen as well. Some more Queen Red Lime Zinnias. I love my zinnias. And this is more of the pelleted double blue hybrid Lizianthus. So hopefully I can get that to grow. That would be so nice to have. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, Benary's Giant Zinnia Mix. Ooh, we got some sunflowers. Autumn Beauty Branching Sunflower. Pink Beauty Saponaria. I'll have to look that one up. I don't know. I don't remember what that one looked like. Strawberry Lemonade. Oh, yes, I forgot I ordered that one. Strawberry Lemonade Branching Sunflower. That is going to be so cool. Salmon Rose Scabiosa. I don't know if you've ever worked with Scabiosa or ever grown it in your garden, but oh man, this stuff is awesome. And then I love my Snapdragon, so I got some more. This is a Potomac Custom Mix Hybrid Snapdragon. I got some Dara. Love that stuff. Oh, I forgot I got this one. Cupcakes Blush Cosmos. I love Cosmos too. I'll put a picture on there as well. Cosmos are absolutely gorgeous. They don't last super long, but for the few days that you have them, they're so pretty. Mystery Rose Chinese Forget-Me-Not. I'm actually growing some in my garden, trying to see just what they look like. They won't probably do very well for the rest of the season, but I'll start fresh next year again. Ooh, Cherokee Sunset Rudbeckia. Hybrid Snapdragon Costa Mix. White Finch Orlea. I think that's one I have to start now if I want to see it next year. This one is some Armato Basil. I probably messed that word up. But basil's really good for filler in your bouquets. So if you're not growing it, you should be because it's so cool. Timeless Mix Ageratum. That stuff, I see that in the bouquets in the grocery store a lot, so I wanted to try to grow that one. I just think it's really cute. Amaranth, you guys probably saw my video on Amaranth. If you haven't, you need to check it out because it is so cool. I did that as my project this season. This one is Emerald Tassels, so I don't have the seeds for that one, but I love Amaranth. I'm growing more of it next year for sure. Victoria Blue Salvia, Hybrid Single Stem Sunflower, Plum Pro Cut. So if I'm correct, the Pro Cuts are the ones that don't have much pollen, which I didn't realize when I grew sunflowers this year. The kind that I grew had a lot of pollen, and that was kind of irritating for me. So I didn't get to sell very many of them. But the Pro Cuts I hear are better. So this Pro Cut Plum will be fun to grow next year. More Oklahoma Pink Zinnia Mix and Aster Tower Custom Mix Aster. I love Asters. I grew them for the first time this year, and they were really pretty. I didn't grow enough though because I used them all real fast. I did some more cinnamon basil. I grew that this year. Definitely love the smell of it for sure. I got some flowers over to my mom today, and she was like, "What is that smell? What is that smell? It smells so good." And I'm like, "Mom, it's the cinnamon basil." And she loves basil, so that really was a good addition to her flowers for today. I am growing some feverfew. I think that is so fun. Euphorbia, Mountain Snow Euphorbia. Another Pro Cut Sunflower. This is the White Light right there. Double Click Cosmos. That will be so fun. Love my Cosmos. Silvery Rose Straw Flower. Definitely growing more of those. Audrey Mix Gombrina. I didn't get to grow any Gombrina this year, and I missed out big time. So for sure had to get that seed packet for next year. Coral Fountain Amaranth. Can't say it enough. That is so cool to add in bouquets as well. Green Gold Blue Plurum. That is a filler flower, and I actually didn't know what they were until I saw some at Trader Joe's of all places, and added that into a bouquet. It was so cool. Johnny's Status Formula Mix, and the last one is Sunball Craspedia. Oh my goodness, guys, if I can get this one to grow, it's gonna be my new favorite probably. I don't know, I have a lot of favorites, don't I? I can't do it. It's just, this is probably gonna get me in a lot of trouble, but Definitely excited for next year. I will take you guys along as I grow these things and start seeds. I need to go through here and figure out what I can start now for next year and maybe try to overwinter. I think the blue plurum for sure, the Orlea. There's something else and I can't remember what it was. But definitely going to go outside now and work in the garden a little bit. It's a gorgeous day. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.